SciSpace is the first AI built exclusively for scientific community. It's a vertical, research-first AI system. And it's not like your general purpose tools. It's not like ChatGPT, which is too general. SciSpace Agent is the first AI built exclusively for the scientific community, and it's tailored to understand, automate, and accelerate tasks specifically involved in research. And today we're gonna give to you the new feature. Actually, it's not that new, but it's a super cool one. It's AI detector. So if you click the link down there, which is gonna be down there in the description, of course, this is what you're gonna see from here. First of all, just create yourself a new account. And here on the left, you can see what it all consists of. So they've got AI writers, you can chat with PDFs, you can search through all the scientific things that come to your mind, such as Google Scholar, PubMed, and here you can see some of the tasks that you can do. So it is pretty powerful. But today, I wanted to show you this. SciSpace AI Detector. Now, AI Detector, well, from the name, you know what it does. If you click here on one of these examples, so this is the text from ChatGPT, and if you click on the Analyze button here, well, it's going to give you AI detection report. But why is this so different? Well, it's because of this. They conducted a benchmarking study on 4,000 samples across research papers, essays, news, and summaries, and they compared SciSpace against GPT-0, ZeroGPT, Grammarly, and Quillbot. Now, down here, you can see the F1 results. SciSpace, as you can see it right here, is at 96.2%. The data set, as I've told you, 4,000 samples. And you can see here how it compares to the other ones. And honestly, with 96.2%, it demonstrates reliable, research-focused AI detection, making this ideal for maintaining academic integrity. Now, if you've got a purpose for something like this, well, you don't need any other tool. This here, as you can see from this graph, is all that you need. Now, take a look at what happens when I take this AI plus human text here, and if I click on the Analyze button, so here you can see that this text based on SciSpace is essentially human. Of course, it'll highlight all the sentences that are high AI probability and moderate AI probability. But as you can see, most of it is written by humans. But when I take the same text here into ZeroGPT and I click on Detect Text, it is 25. And it doesn't even register some of the things well. For example, I know for sure that this sentence here was written by a human, but ZeroGPT flags it, which is not the case in SciSpace here. Now, the best part about this is that you can upload the entire PDF here, and it'll scan the entire text for you. You don't have to do copy-pasting things. And of course, this alone will save you a lot of time and effort, which of course you can put elsewhere. Now, of course, you can combine the tools. For example, you can first research something. For example, I recently done this, so collect all clinical trials on mindfulness for chronic pain. And of course, it's gonna give you a lot of these results. The search is really good, and you're gonna get all of the trials, and you're gonna get a lot of files, which then you can use to detect AI through the detector here. Some other options are chat with PDF feature. You also have the iOS app. You've got Chrome extension, and you can use it on ChatGPT with the custom GPT, of course. But of course, since they've done this benchmark with 4,000 samples, this is now probably the best feature, and you can see it from here. The comprehensive evaluation demonstrates that SciSpace AI Detector achieves state-of-the-art performance in AI text detection with 96.2 F1 score on research papers and 93.2 overall. And of course, research papers, scientific community, you need this kind of percentage. You can use other tools if you wanna make a YouTube script or whatever. But when it comes to something serious, well, this is gonna be your best bet. They're already scientific community based. All the tools that they've got, all the tasks, all the research is based on that. So the AI detector is based on that as well. Now, of course, SciSpace isn't just about AI detection. You just have to try their new AI agent. This automates 90% of your research work. Literature review, PPT creation, and as you can see here, I just typed in bananas for nutrition. So that's as simple as it can be when it comes to prompt. And here, you've got more than 100 papers found with SciSpace and 20 papers found on Google Scholar. So what do you have to do? First of all, you can just scroll through them. If you click on any one of these, it'll just open up in a new tab. All you gotta do now is to read through it, or if you head over to the outputs section here, you've got these separated. So these are from Google Scholar, these are from SciSpace, and when you click on one of these from SciSpace, you can just choose to chat with this one here. You can continue the chat, for example, if you want to, get the conclusion right away. And what I like about this is that you can easily share all these citations there. Let me just go through this PDF. So there's a lot of citations here, and all you got to do now, if you want to bookmark this, is to click on this little button here. You can create yourself some folders, so you can always save these, so you can just refer to them later. Or if you want to share this, there's this button here, 3 little dots. All you gotta do is to click on share, and then you can either copy link, use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or email to share this with your colleagues or friends. Now, one more really, really awesome feature that I use is this here, Agent Gallery. Now, Agent Gallery is, let's just call it templates. There's a lot of agents here, and you can easily explore them through these categories here, or you can just go with these featured ones, or if you just want literature review or create plus write. Now, these are ready-made agents for some specific research tasks, as you can see here. Now, what I love about this is that there is no need to go with those crazy complicated prompts, engineered prompts. No things like that needed. All you gotta do is to click on your category here and then choose one of these ready-made templates. It's just gonna save you tons of time. Or let's just go to health and science. If you wanna just go search through PubMed, this is the task for it. No prompts needed. These are all the templates they've made for you, so you can automate your everyday tasks, whatever it might be. The last thing, of course, for you, well, let's just say it's going to be bad for you if you submit some kind of papers, and it turns out that they've been written with AI. And this here shows it. But of course, I invite you to try it out yourself. Get yourself a PDF, whatever you are interested in right now, and use this AI detector yourself. As I've told you, the link is going to be down there. Try it out for free and let me know in the comments what do you think of it. Also, there's going to be a coupon code here, so you can use it to get yourself some discounts. The link is down there. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.